Hello, welcome. In this short video, let us look at the derivations of mean and variance of a sum of n's IID random variables, where each of the random variable belongs to a normal distribution with mean, mu, and variance sigma square. So, given the IID random variable, the random variable xi, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3, and xi is an independent and identically distributed random variable where each xi belongs to the normal distribution with mean mu and variance sigma square. And also xi is independent of xj where I is not equal to j is independent. So this basically means that xi is IID, same distribution and also independent of each other. Now we want to find the mean and variance of the sum of these n of these IID variables. That is, Sn is defined as summation I equal to 1 to n of xi. So addition of summation of these n of these variables will give us a new variable Sn. We want to find its moments. So the mean of this new variable Sn, the sum, is given by expectation of the sum I equal to 1 to n xi. This is equal to summation of I equal to 1 to n expectation of xi. And from the definition of the xi, since xi basically follows a normal distribution with mean mu, its expectation is equal to its mean. Therefore, this is equal to summation I equal to 1 to n mu, which is n times mu. Therefore, expectation of Sn is equal to n times mu. Now we want to find the variance of this sum, that is variance of Sn, and which is by definition equal to variance of expectation of Sn square, that is the second moment, minus expectation of Sn whole square. So we already know the expectation of Sn, we want to find the second moment. So we start with expectation of Sn square, that is the second moment, is equal to, using the definition of Sn, we have expectation of summation I equal to 1 to n xi whole square, which is equal to expectation of summation I equal to 1 to n summation j equal to 1 to n xi xj. This is equal to summation I equal to 1 to n summation j equal to 1 to n expectation of xi into xj. Basically, a square of a sum can be easily written as in this form. And for I equal to j, that is for I equal to 1 to n, j equal to 1 to n, this correlation can be written as the sum of two different sums. That is, we have expectation of xi square for I equal to j, and we also have summation from I equal to 1 to n, j equal to 1 to n, I is not equal to j, and we have expectation of xi to j. Expectation of xi into xj. And since xi and xj are independent of each other, this should be equal to product of their expectations. And this should be equal to summation j I equal to 1 to n by putting j equal to 1. J equal to I here, we have only one summation, and this expectation has xi square. And this should be equal to summation I equal to 1 to n summation j equal to 1 to n, I is not equal to j, and this is expectation of xi into expectation of xj. And since expectation of xi square is by definition equal to variance of xi plus expectation of xi whole square, which is equal to sigma square plus mu square, and expectation of xi into expectation of xj is equal to mu square. Therefore, the sum becomes summation I equal to 1 to n sigma square plus mu square plus summation I equal to 1 to n j equal to 1 to n I not equal to j mu square. we can clearly see that this is equal to n times sigma square plus mu square, and this is equal to, since there are n square minus n terms here, we have n square minus n into mu square, and mu square is a constant, so this is n square minus n into mu square. So now by cancelling n into mu square terms here, we basically have n into sigma square plus n square into mu square, and therefore variance of Sn is equal to the second moment, that is n into sigma square plus n square into mu square minus n into mu whole square, which is expectation of xi and the expectation of Sn. Therefore we have n into sigma square. Therefore variance of Sn is equal to n into sigma square. Now, this can also be verified by the fact that the variance of a sum of n independent random variables is equal to sum of the variance of each of the individual random variables, which is nothing but equal to n times sigma square, as sigma square is the variance of each of the values in the summation of Sn. That is, sigma square is the variance of each of xi's. Thus, in summary, the mean of sum of n independent random variables with identical distribution is also equal to the sum of their n times the mean of the individual random variable. And similarly, the variance is also equal, the variance of sum of n independent identically distributed random variables is equal to n times the variance of the individual random variable xi. Thanks for watching.